Good morning students, and today we will discuss about the concept as difference between progressive waves and stationary waves. In the previous class we have studied about stationary waves. In today's class we have to discuss about what is the difference between that progressive waves and stationary waves. The progressive wave, the another name of progressive wave is a travelling wave, or stationary wave we are also going to call it as a standing wave. What is the difference between these two? First one, definition of progressive wave and the definition of stationary wave we can discuss now. What are progressive wave? These are the waves propagating continuously. Propagating means moving continuously with constant in the same direction with constant amplitude or frequency or velocity. These waves we are going to call it as travelling waves. What are travelling waves? It means that these are the waves moving continuously in one direction, and the wave is not coming back, and this wave having a same velocity at each and every region in the medium, and the amplitude is always the same. Amplitude, how much it is there? This is also same amplitude, here is also same amplitude. The amplitude never changes. Continuously this wave is moving in one direction with same amplitude, with same frequency, with same velocity. Then these waves we are going to call it as travelling wave or a progressive wave. And while coming to stationary wave, how to form stationary waves? The waves formed when two identical means same waves, two identical waves moving in opposite direction. It means that spreading or propagating in same opposite direction, moving in opposite direction means when two identical same waves they are moving in opposite direction, and the resulting pattern of the wave we are going to call it as a standing wave. For example, this is one wave and this is another wave. One wave is moving in this direction, dotted wave is moving in this direction. This is also a travelling wave. This dotted line is also travelling wave. This is moving in this direction, dotted wave moving opposite to that one first. When these two waves are merged, then the resulting wave pattern is called as a stationary wave. In order to produce a stationary wave, minimum two progressive wave can require. Here one wave is moving continuously with constant speed, amplitude and frequency. This wave never stops, it is continuously moving with the same energy, amplitude. This wave is called as a travelling wave. When stationary waves are forming, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುವಂತ travelling waves are identical travelling waves. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ travelling waves ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆದಾಗ ನಮಗೊಂದು ವೇವ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ವೇವ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವೇವ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೇಷನರಿ ವೇವ್. And next one, these waves carries the energy. These waves carry the energy from one point to another point of the medium. Energy means disturbance. If you create the disturbance here, that disturbance is moving in the form of waves, This continuously, this wave carrying the energy in forward direction. Waves carry the energy, but stationary waves, these waves not carrying any energy. These waves not carrying the energy. Carrying the energy. How come? That energy is confined between 2 points. For example, let us take here there is no wave, here there is no wave. The wave is present in between 2 points, this point and this point. This is first point, this is second point. In between these 2 points, the wave is there. This wave is called as a standing wave, and there is no standing, there is no wave is moving. Here there is no wave. The wave you are getting between 2 points. ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟದ ನಡುಕ ವೇವ್ಸ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ವೇವಿಗೆ ಏನಂತಾರ ಸ್ಟೇಷನರಿ ವೇವ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟೆಡ್. It is started at this point, continuously it is moving, means it is carrying the energy continuously in forward direction, but this wave is not carrying any energy because it is present between this point and this point, and in this direction it is not carrying the energy, in this direction also that is not carrying the energy. And go to third one, what about progressive wave characteristics? And here the progressive wave can getting, as you know very well, these waves are not confined, means restricted between 2 points, between 2 points, 2 points of the medium, 2 points of medium. See here, the wave is started at this point, continuously it is moving and not present between 2 points, but it is restricted. How come? Let us see. This point and this point, in between this point and this point, wave is restricted, that is in present in between these 2 points. These waves are restricted between 2 points, restricted between 2 points, between 2 points. These waves restricted between this point and this point. ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಡುಕ ವೇವ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಯದ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ, ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ, ಕನ್ಫೈನ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟೆಡ್. It is continuously free to move, but it is not moving in this direction or in this direction, that is trapped between this point and this point. And go to next one. Amplitude of each and every particle. Amplitude of each particle in this wave is same. Particles in this wave is same. Wave is same. How come? Let us take, these are the particles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amplitude 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, all the particles. If it is moving here, this is maximum amplitude. If it is coming here, it is moving up, it is also getting maximum amplitude. And if it is coming down, this is maximum amplitude, then it is moving to this point. By the way, this is moving here, again it is moving here, again it is coming to this point. ಈ ವೇವ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ದ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇವ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ 0, its amplitude is maximum. Its amplitude 0, its amplitude is maximum. As you know very well, in this way what is happening? Certain points called node points having zero amplitude, and certain points have maximum amplitude called antinode points. Amplitude called antinode points. Antinode points. In this way, certain points, this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, having a zero amplitude or displacement called as a node points, and this point, and this point, and this point, or this point, or this point, or this point. Some points having maximum amplitude means maximum displacement. Those points we are going to call it as getting antinode points. And here, no particle is permanently is at rest. ಈ ವೇವ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇರಲಿ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌ ಕಮ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್? ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ವಾಟರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, ಥರ್ಡ್, 4, 5. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, it is going off, it is at rest. If it is coming back, it is disturbed and going off. If it is moving to this point, this particle again coming to this point, then this is disturbed and going off. And now this particle coming to mean point, this is going to extreme and this is coming back here. Each and every particle, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ, ವೈಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. you disturb here, it is vibrating. Because of its disturbance, it is also 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 vibrating. It means that all the particles of medium, for example, I have taken water as a medium, water particles, all the water particles, they are vibrating. Means they are not permanently at rest. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ನು ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾವ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ನು ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈಬ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ರೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ and it is also start vibrating. Its disturbance moving here, it is also start vibration. It is the disturbance moving here, it is also start vibration. Means the time is not same, but all the particles, they are coming in vibration. But here not like that. Here nodes are permanently at rest, and antinodes having a vibration continuously. Vibrations. ಸ್ಟೇಷನರಿ ವೇವ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ವೇವ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗನೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದೀಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the name of those points is called as a node points. Nodes are not vibrating continuously. Nodes are always they have being at rest. But here not like that. Water ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ವಾಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ. ಇದ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ. ಇದ್ರ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದು ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ. If its disturbance reaching to this point, it is also vibrating. Because of its disturbance, it is also vibrating. Means all the particles in the wave are not coming permanently at rest. But here some particles are permanently at rest. This particle, this particle, this particle, this particle, this particle, always those points are being at rest. Those called as a node points. Means they have permanently rest those points, and some points are there. This is called antinode. It is coming to this, again going here, again coming here, again vibrating like this. This is rest. This antinode point, it is vibrating like this. This is vibrating like this. Here this antinode particle vibrating like this. Antinode points are vibrating continuously, but node points are not vibrating continuously. Here all the particles, they are not at rest. All the particles, they are vibrating whenever the wave is passing through the water, for example. But here nodes are always at rest, but antinodes, they have vibrating. These are some important ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನರಿ ವೇವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವೇವ್. ಈ ವೇವ್ ಒಂದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ವೇವ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ವೇವ್. ಎರಡು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಕಲ್, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ವೇವ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದು ಕೂಡ್ಕೋತಾವ, ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಥರ ವೇವ್ ಕಾಣಿಸಕತ್ತದ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವೇವ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೇಷನರಿ ವೇವ್. These waves carry the energy. These waves carry the energy. If you disturbed this point, for example, if you drop one stone in the water surface, in the water continuously wave is moving like this, and here not like that. Means if you disturb here, that disturbance in the form of waves is moving continuously, but here not like that. These waves are not carrying energy. Energy na transfer ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌ ಕಮ್? ದ ವೇವ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೀಸ್ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಇವೆರಡ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ವೇವ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ವೇವ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. But this wave present between these 2 points and it is not carrying energy further. That's why this wave is not carrying the energy. Only energy is there, but that energy present between this point and this point. Getting next, these waves are not restricted between the medium. This is wave started and this is not ending. This wave continuously moving, not restricted between 2 points. But here these waves are restricted between 2 points. E point, node in between this point and this point wave ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ, ಕನ್ಫೈನ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ, ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗ್ಯದ. This is continuously moving in forward. This wave only present between 2 points, means it is restricted between 2 points. The amplitude of each particle in this wave is same. First wave vibration ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್. ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್. If this particle is coming back, this particle going up. Means the amplitude of all the particles is same at different time, but here not like that. The amplitude is 0 for some points called as a node points, and amplitude is maximum for some points are called as anti-node points. No particle is permanently is at rest. ನೀವು ವಾಟರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ವೇವ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೈಬ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಲು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಲು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ವೈಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈಬ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೈಬ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೈಬ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೈಬ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೇರ್ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೋ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಲು ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ದೋಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ದೇ ನೆವರ್ ವೈಬ್ರೇಟ್. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದೋಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್. Those points are called as a node points. Node point. Node points are always at rest, they are not moving. And which particles are moving? Only anti-node particles are moving. Therefore, some particles are permanently at rest called as a node point. Some particles they are having a vibration called as a anti-node points. And this is just a difference between a standing wave and stationary wave. Getting? You please try to understand what are the difference between a progressive wave and a stationary wave. Progressive wave also we are going to call it as a traveling wave, and stationary wave also we are going to call it as a standing wave. In the next class we have discussed about that is how the wave is set up in the pipes. For example, you have taken one argon pipe. Argon pipe means, for example, you take one plastic pipe. Inside of the pipe, how the wave is existing, how the wave is set up. Getting? Regarding that one we can study in the next class. You please understand, try to understand the difference between stationary wave as well as a traveling wave. Okay, thank you.